Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you a tutorial how to put photo on Facebook profile. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First of all, we go to the Facebook application as usual. After that, you can go to the profile, you can edit the symbol of the upper in the corner here. And after that, you can click the symbol of the camera and you can select profile picture. You also can select the camera roll or the photos of you, so I choose it and click save. And uploading your profile photo, and then your profile photo is uploaded. Okay, this is a tutorial how to put photo on Facebook profile. I hope this video is useful for you, and bye.